In this video, I will show you how to blur face using Canva. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account. Now here is the design with the image of the person and we want to blur the face of this person in the image. So to do that, first select the image and then click on Edit Image. Now on the left panel, under FX Effects, you will find an option Blur. Just click on it. Now in the settings, you will get two options, Brush and Whole Image. If you want to blur the entire image, then you need to select the option Whole Image. But as we want to blur the certain portion of the image, then we will select the option Brush. Under Brush Type, select option Add Blur. Now choose the brush size according to your requirement. Next, you need to choose the intensity. Let's select it as 30. Now we need to paint using this brush tool over this face. Once you paint the required portion of the image, as you can see, the painted area which is face is now blur. So that is how you can blur face using Canva. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.